Good evening, students. Welcome back after the exams. Hope your exams were fine. Before exams, we have started chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. In this chapter, I have given you introduction about the two-dimensional, three-dimensional figures, and we have discussed about the curved surface area and total surface area of cube and cuboid. So today we will apply that formulas in exercise 13.1. In this exercise we will do various questions on the curved surface area and total surface area of cube and cuboid. So once repeat the formulas. First is curved surface area of cube 4a square, where a is the side of the cube. Then total surface area of cube, that is 6a square. Curved surface area of cuboid 2l plus b into h, where l is the length, b breadth and h is the height of the cuboid. Then total surface area of cuboid, that is 2lb plus bh plus hl. So these four formulas we will apply in the exercise 13.1. Let us start with first question. In first question, you have given a plastic box that is 1.5 meter long, length 1.5 meter, then 1.25 meter wide, that is the breadth, and then they are saying it is 65 centimeter deep. So depth here, depth and height, both things. If you are taking anything like pool, there we consider depth, and if you are taking a box, okay, or a room, then we take as height. So here you can write depth or height 65 centimeter. Now length and breadth given in meter, so convert this also in meter, that is 0.65 meter. Now they are saying that box is open at the top, means 5 faces we are having, 4 walls, and the fifth one is the floor. You have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box. Now as box is open from the top, it means we have to find the area of 4 walls, that is curved surface area plus area of the bottom. So here area of box is equal to curved surface area plus area of bottom. Okay, now curved surface area is 2 into L plus B into H, and area of bottom is rectangular in shape, so its area is LB. Put all the values. 2 into L is 1.5 plus breadth 1.25 into H, that is 0.65, plus length 1.5 into 1.25, that is the breadth. Now we will solve it. Do the calculation. 2. It is 2.75 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25. Okay. So you will do this calculation by yourself. After doing the calculation, you will get area of the box. Now in second part, and this area will be in the meter square. Okay. In second part, they are saying find the cost of the sheet if 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Now here cost also we have to find. So firstly we will find the area by doing this calculation. Then you will find the cost. Here you will write cost of 1 meter square rupees 20, cost of. After finding this answer, you will find the cost for this much meter square. You will multiply this by 20 and that will be your answer. Okay, so this was our first question. In second question, you have given length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. This question is also same as the previous question. here length, breadth and height of a room given, that is 5, 4 and 3. And you have to find area to be whitewashed, the 4 walls and the ceiling. Area of 4 walls, that is same curved surface area 2 into L plus B into H, and area of ceiling. Ceiling is also rectangular, that is L into B. So here area to be whitewashed, that is 2L plus B into H plus LB. Okay. Put all the values. 2 L plus B, 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4. 9 into 3 plus 20. 9 2s are 18, 3s are 54 plus 20, that is 74 meter square. Now this is the required area to be whitewashed. Then you have to find the cost. So here we will write cost of 1 meter square. Rupees 7.50, cost of 74 meter square, that is 7.50 into 74. So this is your required answer. Okay. So you will try these two questions, do its calculation and try these questions by yourself. And also in PDF I have sent the solution of these questions. If any problem is there, then you can discuss with me in tomorrow's Zoom session, and next question we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay students, thank you.